Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2014 Ford Flex Limited. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, has 4 all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, you got a tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust, your backup camera. We do get a nice gray roof with this vehicle, with roof rails, mud flaps on the rear, with silver accents along this vehicle. We do get blind spot detection, and we do get a lovely remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Hood deflector, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the lip there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space, even with your third row up. Hooks, doodads, 12-volt, your buttons to stow away your last row, so I'm just going to click there and it will go automatically down, which is pretty nice. And to close your liftgate, all you have to do, hit that button, it will beep a couple times and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leathering interior, plenty of door space, wood accents, you got floor mats, carpet interior. To get to the back, you just lift that up for your 2 additional seats back there. We do get climate controls, 12-volt, 110-volt with some cup holders and storage. And of course you do get some cup holders and arm space here, but the seatbelt's in the way. But it's pretty handy, and you do get a DVD system for the back passengers, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, wood paneling, powered mirrors, locks, windows, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, lights, liftgate, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 186,259 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle for your right-hand screen, toggle for your left-hand screen, and we do get your cruise control paddle shifters, seek, volume, phone, voice, all right there. And looking at our left-hand screen here, we got display, trip it 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and settings. To my right here, we got our entertainment, navigation, and phone settings. Over here, cup holders and storage, sync with auto park assist. You just click that and it will navigate to a parking spot, which is pretty handy. Storage below there. You do get some storage underneath with AV, USB, 12-volt, aux, all that jazz. Got a Sony sound system with this vehicle. Dual climate up front. Pretty nice. You got your rear climate controls as well. CD, hazards, storage below. And above me, we do get our features for our sunroof, which does go to the back as well. All pretty handy, so you can keep the vehicle nice and lit. Garage door transmitter, connect the phone, navigation, entertainment, and climate. We're going to go to our entertainment real quick, where we do get AM, FM, SIRIUS, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, AV. We're going to go home real quick. We got our navigation, pretty easy to use, zoom in or out, search, recents, all that jazz. And you got your settings for all that too. Just your normal vehicle settings, and your climate controls can be found up here as well, or down there, whatever you prefer. And we do get our heated and cooling front seats, and shifting to reverse, we get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED33891B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.